Hi friends, this is 5 Mr. YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F41 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can take slow motion video in your phone Samsung Galaxy F41. First of all, in your phone, go to camera and here click on more option. Click on slow motion. This is slow motion option. Now capture video. Start taking video. I take this video. While taking, it will be like a normal video, but after playing that video, it will be in slow motion. I record this video and I record another one now. I stop the video and play the video that I took. Click here and play the video. See the action now, it's in slow motion. So in this way you can easily take slow motion video in your phone. If you want to adjust the slow motion area, just track like this and the covered area will be in slow motion. See the action, it's in very slow. So in this way you can easily take slow motion and modify the slow motion wherever you want. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.